I've written a math book called Preparing for Algebra that will help parents tutor their own children at home during this crisis. I started and ran the Homework Club for about 18 years, a nonprofit in the state of California for middle school students. Preparing for Algebra is the result of 20 plus years of helping children that suffer from math anxiety and other learning challenges. Preparing for Algebra is also listed on the California Department of Education's website. 80% of what your child needs to know to be successful with algebra is in this book. It's also in black and white. There's no color, no cartoons, limiting distractions. There's one math concept per page. Every new content has an easy to understand example. There are no trick questions, there are no ambiguous questions, giving the student a sense of trust in themselves and this book. There are 8 chapters in this book. Chapter 1 starts simply, but immediately we begin using words instead of numbers. So you can see we've got 6 plus 8, this is page 2. Taking out the plus sign, using words, plus or combined with. The questions in those bubbles inspire verbal communication and a deeper understanding of the math. The overall idea with the book is to take any shame or blame away from a student during their own learning process. By the end of the book, chapter 8, your student will already know sequencing, XY axes, intercepts, graphs, slope, so much more. The math tutoring skills will also guide the parent on how to tutor their child. You'll be happily surprised to see how quickly your child will learn algebra. Know that one-on-one tutoring in homeschool will have absolutely huge academic benefits for your student. Thank you for reviewing Preparing for Algebra. You'll find us on the CDE website, link below. You can purchase us on Amazon for $29.56. And additional support page-by-page tutorials on my YouTube channel, Preparing for Algebra. Thank you again, and I look forward to virtually tutoring you and your child. Be safe, be healthy, be happy. Thank you again.